Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. We have a very exciting collab that I'm going to leave for the end, but let's quickly go through all of this week's new releases. These will all be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. We have 3 kits, doodles, well, the color of the week, new characters, new pop culture characters, and a foil bundle. Let's go over the foil bundle first, which I feel like this will go so good with these 2 kits at the end. This will be slightly discounted because I feel like it's a slight misfit in my eyes. You might not think so, but it's a win-win, right? So this is a red and green mixed metal foil bundle in the sparkle format. So you have the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays, 2 pages of those. You have the bougie and you get 2 pages of those, the icons and the scripts. And then it's kind of hard to see, but like the numbers are a little off. And then like some of these, like the lines a little bit off. So there's going to be a like discount for it being slightly off. This is really the only page that you can tell because there are like things in line. The rest of the pages you really can't. So just be slightly discounted for that. But red and green will go great with a lot of holiday spreads. Thought it was something different and something that will really spice up and make a spread very special. So those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and they will be on special pricing and even more discounted because of the misfit. So let's go into the color of the week, which is this really pretty blue in the normal 10 sheets. There is going to be 2 more sheets and more doodles coming very, very soon. So I'm very excited for that. But these will be available again Wednesday at noon Eastern, and there will be a buy all option, and they will be available through Sunday. Colors of the week, and then we have the pop culture characters. So we do have Ghostface and It, 24 and 25. Thought these would be cute to add to your Halloween lineups, or if you like watching spooky movies all year round. And then we also have grandparents this week for the Scribblers, and this is character 16, and this is option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And they will also next week be coming in gray hair. I just always see comments of, can we have grandparents with like non-gray hair? So I wanted to do them in the colors of the characters themselves. Then let's go into the kits for this week. I'll show you the exclusive art first. This one's called 'Tis the Season. And this is like a getting ready, prepping, you know, doing all the things, setting up the tree, wrapping presents, all the things. So let's go ahead into this one. This one and Joy would look so pretty with the red and green foil bundle. I love it. So here are the full boxes. Super cute little cat there. Lots of little ribbons, setting up the tree, a little outfit, flat lay. Love these classic kind of, but a little bit more muted colors. You got your cookie tray and like little baking elements, ornaments. Love these patterns. You got the plaids and like kind of like the more modern Christmassy patterns. So stinking pretty. I think this would also look really pretty with silver, with matte bronze, with like a red foil would be really pretty with this to like make the red pop, like with a red bow on here would be everything. You have your extra full box here, and then the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is this box in the different skin tone options. So again, this is 'Tis the Season, is exclusive art, so you will not find it anywhere else. And I just wanted to do something that was kind of like the classic Christmas colors and a very like super usable anytime Christmas time kit. You have the mini kit, and then let's go through the add-on options. So you do have the ombre heart checklist, the functional, the label color 2, which is like a darker, deeper red, the doodles, and then there is fam. So you get a tall box and then the 2 boxes here. This one is wrapping presents, and then this one is holding the bags. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There is like alternate fashion options too, which I thought was kind of cool. So many options there, but that is 'Tis the Season. The first of the Halloween exclusives, I believe. Then let's move on to Joy. They're all Christmas kits this week, which is really fun though. This is a reformat, and I am obsessed. I love these colors. This one again would look good with the foil bundle if you wanted to just do red, if you wanted to do champagne lights. The golden champagne lights would be everything with this. It will be restocked hopefully soonish because it did sell out, but you have your full boxes here. Very similar to last year. Oh, it's so pretty though. I love those ornaments. The gold faux glitter throughout. Again, another great like anytime Christmas time set, and I love plaid. And then the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is this box here, which you can actually make, I believe it's this one, right? This into a double box if you want to, or as you can see, it looks good with them on their own. So that is Joy. This is a reformat, but I have been loving reformats this year. Y'all know. Foil choices for me personally, I think the gold with champagne lights would look really beautiful with this. And then for this one, I'd probably do the matte bronze, matte silver mixed metal. I think would be really fun with this one. Those would be my choices. Also comes in a mini kit. And then let me show you the add-on options for Joy. There is the ombre heart checklist, the functional label version 2, which is this really nice like reddish brown doodle. And then you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Lots of fams. And then last but not least is new art, and this is Seasons Creepings, and I love this kit. I feel like Jess has been saying she's wanted to do this for like 2 years now, which is wild. So this is like a spooky Christmas kit, and I was actually thinking Halloween is on a Monday. And I think if you were like, you didn't have enough Halloween kits, or like, let's say you're kind of over it in November, you want to like, you're more about Christmas, this would be a great kit to use for Halloween and then moving into Christmas. So love that idea. This also be really good for like Kirsten's birthday. It'd be good for any birthday during the holiday season, either or Christmas or Halloween, in my opinion. Or for me, I'm just going to use this as like an anytime Christmas kit. I think foil wise, you could do hollow, you could do sparkly hollow lavender hollow mix, you could do regular hollow, you could do like a light purple, a light blue, you could do black. I'll let you know at the end what my plans are, but I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute and so spooky. So here are the colors. They're like the pastel. I am just loving everything. Your extra boxes. It's just such a fun colorway, and I am so here for it. You have a slight gradient on here. It's like the color gray, or it's dark. Well, it's like black, but not black. And then there's like black on the bottom. And then you have the extra box there. And then the freebie is just 2 like more unique boxes. So there's lots of boxes in this set that comes with the ultimate and the mini. And then let me go ahead and show y'all the add-on options and tell you my plans for this kit. There'd be some like really cool Planahana colors to pull into if you wanted to. So add-on options, you have the fashion add-on, the functional, the doodle, ombre, label. I don't know if it's label 2 and label 3. I probably should have labeled them. But 2 and 3, 3 and 2, not sure. But my thought process is because this is like the main colors, is I'm going to grab 3 of these and do black headers probably. Maybe mix the black in too. But honestly, I'm just mostly here for the black headers and mix those in. And then it's kind of like even more black. And then maybe doing black foil on top of it. Or not doing that and just doing like a black foil bundle. And then you have like the pastel headers with black on them. And I think that that would be really cool too. I have some decisions, so actually I'm not like set yet. Because also lavender hollow. Lavender hollow mixed metal would probably be my top choice, but then also black. So I'm going to kind of just have to figure that out, but y'all will see in my kit lineup where I end up. Now, for the moment that you're all waiting for, I have been working on something with Kane for basically forever, and it's finally come to fruition, and it is a planner, and I am so excited. It's going to be available in my shop. It is very, very limited quantities. This color is so beautiful, and this is the SPC Edit. It is an A5 wide planner, and let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, I think I brought myself home an oops, but I don't really know what the oops is. So it comes in a box, and then let's open her up. I will have all of the price point and stuff down below. It'll obviously also be like a heavier item, so the shipping will be a little bit higher than just stickers, but that's expected when it's a planner. So this, my friends, is the first most beautiful SPC Edit planner, and I am so excited to show you kind of like my configuration idea for this. This is definitely made for like a memory planner, but obviously anyone can use it. But with the pockets, I really wanted to think like what would be the like my ideal for a memory planner. So let's open her up. So first, let's take this off because this is my planner. So She doesn't need that, but there is protection. So I want to do a planner that had pockets where you could put journaling cards in them, and also you can put pictures. So these are 4x6. Well, they're a little bit smaller than 4x6, so whenever you put it in, you don't see the edge, but they're made for 4x6 journaling cards or 4x6 windows. So same thing over here. I don't have like a card I can like put in there to bend. I don't know where my Planet Hannah one went, but you can also put character stickers in here or scripts or whatever else, but it was mostly made for like a memory planner. So it's very minimal decorating needed, and you can use all of those journaling cards that you have, or you can use it functionally and put your scripts up here, your character stickers down here. So you could put, like, instead of putting the journaling card in here, you can stick a sticker kit in here for your sticker kit of the week, and then, you know, stick your journaling card or whatever up here. There is this gorgeous journaling card that's going to come with it, and it is like the planner piece. I thought that'd be perfect for this planner. So it's already going to come with the journaling card in it, but also a really cute idea would be, let's say you're like me and every 6 months you have a planner that you keep everything in. You could do like family pictures or pictures with your significant other, your friends, yourself, your animals, whatever. I think that'd be really cute. Or if you have like a ton of Simply Gilded journaling cards like I do, plop them in there, and you 3 cards, you could trim these down. They're the same width, and you got a full setup going, and it's super cute. Also, with this planner as a freebie, you're gonna get a 5-week sample of the SPC edition planner filler. So this is the inserts that I use, and also you can kind of try out Kane's paper. This is a Printpression Planner, if I didn't mention. So you'll be able to try out the SPC edition, which is a very like blank slate. So this was also designed by me, but I am so excited to hear what y'all think about this planner. I just was so pumped when I thought, like, you know, I want something that I don't have to like decorate all the pockets and do all the things. I just want to be able to put like a journaling card or a picture in here and be basically done and ready for my memory planning, for me archiving them and saving them for however long. So pink, I think it's the Planner Keeper pink. I think Kane said that this was Planner Keeper color that I picked with gold hardware. It's just very me. And then this color is called Princess, and I am just all kinds of obsessed with it. Again, it is very limited though, so if you want it, definitely get your hands on it. So these planners will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern with new releases. You can order stickers with these, do your normal thing with it, pop it in your order, and you will be getting the journaling card. You will be getting the 5-week sample SPC edition planner filler. This planner is going to get used immediately. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. I've never been happier in my life, honestly. It's just the most beautiful thing and what I've always wanted. There's the 2 buttons, you got the pen loop, you know, the normal amenities of a Printpression planner, but just simplified for memory planning. So again, that is the planner if you want to pick it up like that. Also, I will have a bundle available, and it'll only be available if you buy the planner. So whenever you go to the planner page, there's going to be a planner, and then there's going to be a drop down, and it'll be planner plus sticker bundle. And this is the sticker bundle. It's an example, so these are all examples of what you could get. So the first 25 people will get a free monthly. Future, the bundles will not come with monthly, but the first 25 will have the monthly in them. And the monthly is just your normal A5 wide monthly. This one is a 3-pager. So that is the first thing in the first 25. You're going to get, if you purchase the full bundle of stickers, the add-on, you'll see in the listing, you will get a monthly. And then afterwards, the bundles that will be available will have 4 past mystery kits in them. So the sticker kits, and then there'll also be 4 foil bundles. If the mystery kit already has foil in it, you'll have 3 foil bundles, but you'll get the equivalent of 4 foil bundles and 4 mystery kits. So this one is May 2022, June 2022, August 2022, and July 2022. Again, this is just an example. It could be from a lot of past mystery kits, but it will be an ultimate size mystery kit, which will come with adequate amount of stickers. And then also 4 random foil bundles. So this is the Y2K in Hollow. This is I think it's like a sequin gold in Celestial, a birthday in silver, and then the Caress Press matte bronze one. So again, this will be like an add-on option. You can only get it if you're purchasing the planner. It's a great deal. I'll have the pricing down below, but it won't be available purchased separately. So only if you're purchasing the planner, you'll be able to select in the listing if you want to add on the sticker bundle. And that's what this is. And again, the first 25 will also come with a monthly kit if you purchase the sticker bundle. So let me know if you have any questions. The planner itself, I think I mentioned, will be also available separately, so you don't have to buy the sticker bundle, but that's just an extra option, if you will. But that is everything. I'll leave all of the information down below. I'm so excited about this. Can't wait to hear what y'all think. And I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.